Welcome to our ultimate GPU face-off. Today, we're comparing two high-performance graphics cards, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT and the PNY RTX 5070. We'll look at their specifications, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the specifications of both graphics cards. The Sapphire RX 9070 XT boasts a powerful 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and operates on AMD's Radeon A4 architecture, providing excellent performance for demanding games. In contrast, the PNY RTX 5070 features 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and is built on NVIDIA's architecture, which supports ray tracing and DLSS. While the Sapphire card offers more memory, the PNY card brings unique features that enhance gaming visuals. When it comes to gaming performance, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT is designed for high-end gaming, capable of running the latest titles smoothly at 4K resolutions. On the other hand, the PNY RTX 5070 offers impressive performance for 1440p gaming, with features like ray tracing and DLSS that enhance the overall gaming experience. While the Sapphire card excels in raw performance, the PNY card provides great value for gamers looking for quality visuals without breaking the bank. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The Sapphire RX 9070 XT comes with a price tag of $749, reflecting its high-end capabilities. In contrast, the PNY RTX 5070 is priced at $549, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. This price difference is significant, especially for those who are looking for a balance between performance and cost. In conclusion, both the Sapphire RX 9070 XT and the PNY RTX 5070 have their strengths. If you prioritize top-tier performance and have the budget, the Sapphire card is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for great performance at a more accessible price, the PNY RTX 5070 is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.